Okay, so the Holmes 5200 BTU air conditioner is in the window now because the 6000 BTU Whirlpool from the 70s lost all its refrigerant charge. It was working okay for a while. The coil would get ice on it, but last night I turned it on. It was just making a loud hissing noise that never stopped, and it never got cold. No ice on the coil at all, because it wasn't doing anything. So I took it out because it was really hot, and I put this one in. As you can see, I got a replacement knob for the thermostat. That knob is actually for a Friedrich air conditioner, but it fit on there, so I just used it. Yeah, this thing cools great. It got the room down to a comfortable temperature very quickly. It's quiet. This one has an LG compressor and a McMillan fan motor. And yeah, it was pretty rough when I got it and dirty, but I cleaned it up, and it's really a pretty nice air conditioner. Compressor is running right now. And there's the Whirlpool unit that broke, unfortunately. Like I said, it lost its refrigerant charge, and it's not getting cold anymore. It's not even getting a little bit cool. So that's really a shame, because this thing is in perfect cosmetic condition. It's the coils are pretty much perfect. And it's very clean. So it's really a shame. I'm going to see if I can get this recharged. See if I can get the leak fixed and have it recharged with refrigerant, because I don't want to give up on this unit, really. It's amazing how heavy this thing is for such a small air conditioner. That giant reciprocating compressor in this thing really weighs a ton.